My name is Paul Oris Byfield. I'm 26 years old and I am a proud dad. Growing up, I didn't have that much fatherly love experience, so I want to take this time out, this opportunity to send a message to all the fathers out there to let them know that the time that we are living in now, you understand, is a very crucial time, and we have to pay keen attention to our children, especially if they are girls. So for me as a young man, as a father, this is my only child at the current moment, and I'm so blessed, and I give God thanks every day, that I can be a dad and experience the role of a dad, and I will do everything in my endeavors to make sure that she's okay and she's all right. So I just want to send a message to all the fathers out there. Take good and pay good attention to your children and take good care of them. God bless you. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, man, so you don't know Sean, the big bad makeup artist, representing as a father. You don't know it's good to be a real father. Big up to all who never be a real father, but you don't know, still a father. Yes, I don't know. I represent, I don't know, because the youth them have to live in a blessing. Boy, without the youth, them I turn me not a father, boy, I don't know how my life would be right now, you see me? For real, I not lie. Youth them are the blessing. Yes, Sean, real man, a blessing.
My name is Milton Williamson, and as a father, it's a responsibility. We as a father have to do our responsibility. We cannot expect someone else to do our responsibility because we are the one that make the babies. So growing up, my daughter lived with me and it wasn't easy, but I have to do what it takes. It was difficult, yes. It was very difficult in some times, but I have to do what it takes because I am the dad, so I have to show the responsibility as a father. Can't be going around making babies because any man can make babies, but to be a father, you have to be there to take care of her and the responsibility.
Every father, me as a father, it's good for me. You understand? Because I have a child, I'm looking forward for when she goes to school every day and provide for her. So it's a wonderful feeling for me. I don't know about next father, how they feel for themselves, but I talk to the father as well. Every man to determine and take care of them youth. Because it's a joy to have a youth amongst you and people look for your difference. Every day and every night, your daughter can call upon you at the best feeling that ever. You understand? Going to school, pick her up, carry her home, help her with her homework is a joy. So, big up to all the fathers out there who do it, and big up to who still not do it. You understand? Elliot said that, right? Big up. Come forever, all the time.